welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some slime. So I'll show you what you need. So first you'll need a bowl and a spatula. Then you'll need a cup of boiling water to a teaspoon of borax. Then I'm using some glitter, some soap, shaving cream and some glue. So let's get straight on to the video. So I'm going to do a cup of glue. So, that's enough. And then pour the cup of glue into the bowl. Now we're going to do 2 cups of shaving cream. I think we're running out. So now we've got a cup. I think we'll just use a cup because we're running out. Then put that to the side and mix that in. So I'll see you when it's mixed. So it's all mixed in now and it's like whipped cream. So now I'm going to do 3 pumps of the soap we got. And then mix that in. So now it's time for the colouring or the glitter. So I'm going to use some of each coloured glitter. Whoa, it's like liquid. Oh yeah. Let's do green. That's enough. So that's all mixed in. Now we're going to add our borax. So do a teaspoon. And then you should start to see it pulling together. So we'll see you when it's all pulled together. So now you're just going to have to start kneading it with your hands. So we'll see you when it's all kneaded in. So now guys, if your slime goes tough and weird like this, you're just going to have to add a few more pumps of hand lotion. So I'll do that and then I'll see you after. So your slime should look something like this. But if it's gone tough and hard like this, what you're going to need to do is boil the kettle and put some fairy liquid in. So we'll see you when that's done. So we have our boiling water and fairy liquid and our tough slime. So you're going to want to leave it in here for around 30 seconds. So let's set a timer. We're going to start a timer. So let's wait a couple of minutes for this timer to go off. So the timer's about to go off. So yeah, the time is finished. So let's get the slime out. Oh, it's very hot. Be very careful with the boiling water. I have my mum at the side of me so it not burn. And you'll see it start coming to slime. So you're just going to knead it in and then I'll see you when it's all kneaded in. So now guys, I've left that one to sit in there for a couple more minutes. Then I'm going to take it out and put it in there. But I'm going to give you a quick... This is a coffee slime which I'll do in one of my videos. This is out of Karina's bulk. This is not something I've come up with. But it smells so nice and it's like really good. So now guys, I'm going to leave it to dry out. Guys, mine has now worked. But if yours still doesn't work, because I've had this happen to me before, is put it in another bowl and then put the one with fairy liquid in underneath. So I'm now going to show you what my slime turned out like. So this is what your slime should now turn out like. And then we'll make a bubble. this is one I made earlier, and I left it to sit out, and as you can see, it's all nice, and yeah, really stretchy. And then a shout out to Queen. This is a coffee slime, and this is so good slime. Peace out, and remember to like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye!